Welcome. I am Becky Morgan, President of Fulcrum ConsultingWorks Incorporated. I'd like you to consider this series, Manufacturing Greatness. It's an opportunity designed with your success in mind. When I first entered the workforce, I assumed executives had all the answers. Boy, was I wrong. You executives know just how wrong I was. In my experience, owners and executives of manufacturing companies are very smart people who want to be great leaders. Too many have not yet become comfortable with admitting some ignorance, instead presenting a facade of omniscience. The best, they know they don't have all the answers. They're working to become completely comfortable with that, and they seek help to successfully traverse the journey to greatness. We've all had bosses. I can easily recall the best boss I ever had and the worst. I bet you can do the exact same thing. Not all bosses are leaders. While not an unimportant role, some executives are more of a conduit for communication and control than they really are leaders. Not all leaders are bosses. Some leaders significantly impact the behavior of others without positional authority. This series of brief videos is designed to support your commitment to manufacturing greatness. While much of the content presumes a role of authority, it also very consciously supports high-impact individual contributors. I'm glad you are considering this series. It is unique. It is stimulating. And watching will not be time-consuming, but the process of considering what you will hear will likely necessitate replays and contemplation. I have helped both new and seasoned leaders of manufacturing businesses drastically improve company value and individual and team greatness in all kinds of industries, in businesses of far-ranging size. Some of you may be only looking for verification. I doubt you'll find that here. Successful leaders find my thinking intriguing and invaluable. I will present challenging questions and alternatives you've not yet considered. Now, some of you are very good and want to continue to learn and grow. That's exactly what I intend to help you do. You will build on your strengths as you consider new thinking. Now, some of you are uncertain of what differentiates the great from the merely functional. This series will expose you to an abundance of issues to consider as you develop your own leadership behavior. We'll focus on what differentiates a great operations leader from the ordinary. Practical advice and challenges will propel your evolution. This series will address the difficult transitions to lean leadership with pragmatic, actionable counsel. I will challenge you to think about what comes after lean, and for some of you, I will challenge you to think of alternatives to lean. Manufacturing greatness requires an effective blend of the technical and the interpersonal. I will provoke your thinking of alternatives. A business that is not vigorously learning will fail. I will explain how to grow a vigorous learning organization. This series is designed to help you become the great manufacturing leader you want to be with provocative content and practical advice. Join me in manufacturing greatness.